Morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today I'm going to cook some curry chicken back and rice and peas. See me chicken back I go and soak out. And I'm going to mix up some sweet corn, mixed vegetable with some mayonnaise. Yeah, see me peas are going to boil. Yeah guys, my peas are going to boil over here. And I not use no coconut juice or no. I not grate no coconut, I use the powder today. Yeah, I use the coconut powder, so stay tuned and watch what go on, guys. In the meantime, what I go do, I go cut up some carrots, Irish, we go in on my curry chicken here. I'll just sort out some season meantime, so just stay tuned. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so the carrot, the Irish, the onion, the thyme. I don't have any scallion on my pepper and my garlic. Well, I work with this today. You understand what I did? So what I go do? I go and cut up some season, make the chicken back go and smoke out. And cut up some season, so watch what I go on, guys. Yeah guys, so I'm going to cut up my Irish and my carrot now. Pick up on my chicken back. Yeah guys, so this afternoon, my meat. Also, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut up some pepper and onion and I don't know anything pepper. Watch what I go on. Last time is passing through. I know you keep it cool. Yeah guys, so see the rice and peas pot over here, sir. Peas are cooked. Yeah, peas are cooked. We go put a little bit more water in it. Peas are almost cooked. Put a little bit more water and make it go on cook down some more. You understand what I did? So stay tuned and watch what I go on. You guys gotta put up some season. Yeah. some season. Pepper, onion. And I'm a skeleton, so we have some time there. Also have some garlic. Garlic. Yeah guys, so finish cut up the season. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut up the chicken back I towel. So stay tuned and watch what I go. Yeah guys, I'm gonna clean up some chicken back now. Yeah, see, cut up some chicken back. Curry up, and some rice and peas. The chicken back. Guys, don't like fat on my meat, you know, like that. I don't like fat on the meat. Hey, look at the meat, be fat. You see that? Be fat. Man. So if you buy 1 3 pound of chicken back, you get pound and a half of fat. And the next 1 pound of bone. And the next half pound of liquor flesh. My God. Well, you have to work with it, you don't know it will go. To work with the system, instead. Take off all fat. You cannot take no fat. Too fat on the meat. Oh my god. Yeah, fat. Yeah guys, so finished cleaning up my chicken back. I will wash it off after, so stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna season up my chicken back now. I'm gonna put some Russian Irish on the carrot. Wow. The carrot and the Irish, them a jump out like that. Carrot and the Irish jumping out of my pot. Chicken season. Black pepper. And the ground season. So guys, I'm gonna make this soak a liquor. Stir him up. Making soak a liquor. A liquor. Yeah. Guys, the pot small. The pot is small. May I use the big pot and put some cookie rice and peas in a big pot. So I go see meat at jump out. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make it go and soak. I'm gonna throw some oil on it and finish stir it up and make it go and soak. So stay tuned, I'll soon be back. It's back to the rice and peas now. So I season up the meat and the meat I go and soak little. You understand me? I eat so back on the rice and peas now. Check the peas and see what peas doing. Peas, how you doing? Peas. Yeah, peas cook. You see that? Yeah, peas cook now. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put in my coconut powder, season up my rice pot. I'm gonna season up my rice pot now, guys. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So I'm put some more water on the peas. So I'm gonna season up my pot now. You understand me? I did season it up. I can go and boil, put in my rice, and I go see the finishing look of my rice and peas. And my curry chicken. Chicken I go and soak. So soon from now, I light the stove and make him go on doing things. You understand what I did? Yeah, so you don't know the thing set up. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to sort out my rice and peas pattern now. So stay tuned guys, soon be back. Yeah guys, this is my rice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to season up the pot. Yeah. See the pot boil up, I'm going to season it up. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so looking at the pot what I go on. You see that? Yeah. I don't use no coconut juice, now I don't grate no coconut. I use the coconut powder. Yeah guys, so I go light my stove now and make me chicken back one fry up. You don't know madness go already, so stay tuned, I soon be back. Guys, that part here go wicked. I not lie, I can't smell it. It smell good, I not lie if you tell me. I not put no sugar in my rice and peas today. Yeah. I'm matter of fact, I not no sugar now, so I not go down the road go buy no sugar. So I'm going to do it out. I'm going to put some butter. Yeah. Some butter. Guys, the rice and peas I go sell off. Remember me tell her. Yes, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash my rice. Put in my rice. Make my rice go and cook. And in the meantime, the chicken back I go and curry down. You understand me? I did. So everything the pan fire now. So I'm going to just wash my rice, put in my rice. And mix. Oh, me have a mixed vegetable and my sweet corn to mix up with me mayonnaise. So I'm going to deal with that after, guys. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to wash my rice now and put in the pot. Raw some peas, guys, raw some peas. Yeah, guys, I'm going to put in the rice now. Guys, me not lie if you tell you. It pot smell good. Right now, if you no drop on the nose on this, goes up. Oh fuck. Me not lie if you tell you, yo, rice and peas pot smell real good. Believe me. Me not lie if you tell you. Guys, I go see the rice and peas when they don't cook. Yeah, believe me. When you watch the video yeah, until the end, me not lie if you tell you. I would mind some of you wouldn't name they around for simile when it a cook as God. You would mind you they around for you know simile part when it a cook. You know so that they around for simile just the scent where it a carry. Believe me. Much less the taste when it finish. Guys, that part I go wicked. And the curry chicken back, oh God. Guys, that part I go mad. Remember that. Watch it. You see that? That are the chicken back over there so. See that people? Yeah. I'm more on that too. I don't want no more on that. Yeah. Yo, part wicked yo. I not lie if you tell her. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. When you watch that video yeah, until it finish. From start to the end. Stay tuned, I'll soon be back. And people remember this. You see when you cook, your heart have to clean. Yeah. Big man thing, your heart have to clean. Also when you deal with food and them thing there, heart have to clean. Yeah. So we deal with it. Look for my rice and peas guys. Some of my things set up. There. If your heart no clean, you can't come out of my pot. That's how me deal with it. Watch me chicken back over here. So. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Pot soon don't cook. Don't go away. Soon come back. Yeah. Yeah guys, so me put the water for my chicken back now. You see that? Yeah. So stay tuned and watch how go on guys. The party I go good to them in our life, you tell you. I'll soon be back. Yeah guys, so in the meantime what I go do, I go mix up my mixed vegetable and my sweet corn with my mayonnaise. Yeah, so watch what I go on people. So I get a mixed vegetable, a big mixed vegetable. That's it. Never mind. Never mind, never mind. Yeah guys, so the mixed vegetable and the sweet corn. I will put me mayonnaise. Mayonnaise guys, yeah guys, be a badness, you see that? Yeah, so guys, stay tuned, I'll soon be back. Guys, you see what I go on in that rice and peas pot? See that? Rice cook. Yeah, rice cook. And when me tell you now again, when you not deal with food, your mind have to clean, your heart have to clean, your soul have to clean. And the worst, you not go cook the people. Remember that. Clean up your mind, clean up your heart, clean up your soul. Look at my rice and peas, guys. You see that? Well cook or something. You know, life, I tell you. Yeah. Just make liquor water in the bottom dry out. You know, see me no put no bag over it because me limit my water and me measure the rice. You understand how I did, so me know when to put bag over my rice and when not to put my bag over it. So guys, watch for my chicken back over here so now. You see that? Guys, that one I go sell off. Real sell off to believe that. So guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Next 2 more minutes from now, take off my chicken back. In the next 1 minute, me just lock off my stove. You don't know about badness go already. Yo, me love to see rice and peas, me not lie. Rice and peas look good in a pot. Tastes good too. I'm tasty. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon be back. Yeah guys, my chicken back done cook. So that chicken back done cook guys. So the rice and peas are going to steam out like don't know things set up. Yeah. So stay tuned for the finishing look guys. Soon be back. Yeah, look for my curry chicken back and rice and peas guys. You see that? Yeah. When you drop a comment and tell me how you look. Me only sorry you never there to taste it. Believe me. Yeah, curry chicken back, rice and peas. With my mixed vegetable and my sweet corn mixed up with mayonnaise. I don't know I'm going this already. Be a badness in my kitchen. I don't know anything set up here. So guys, see you soon in our next video. Yeah, don't know anything, but I'm out.